Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, Legacy, and good morning, YouTube. Hopefully, you had a solid day in the markets yesterday. If not, don't worry. Today's a new opportunity, another chance to secure that freedom day. We got a lot of things going on. For me personally, we hit all-time highs. We continue to hit all-time highs on the Nasdaq here, and I don't know how I feel about that. Well, I do know how I feel about it. I'm not a big fan of it because for me personally, it's one of those things where I'm waiting for the rug pull because it's going to catch a lot of people by surprise when everyone gets so comfortable with the market just trending up. When that thing comes back down on people, people aren't going to be ready for it. But we here on these streams will be ready. 925, I'll give you where all the VWAP and all that good jazz is at. Let some more folks jump in here. What's up, Niner? Good morning, brother. Try to make $1 or a few. We won't complain. You know what I'm saying? We're ready today. Ready to trade so then I could go work out. I'm weighing in on Friday, so this week I'm trying to be like super dialed for my weight. I'm trying to be under 299.9. Even if I'm 299.8, we would have done it. What's up, BP? What's up?
Oh shit, I didn't even see when you came in. What's up, Duane?
What's up, G? I was talking to you and everything, G, and I'm like, oh, no response. It is what it is.
My volume was down. I looked. I said, "Oh shit, Dwayne's right there."
Surprise! You know what I'm saying? We here.
Surprise! Mother.
That's what I was going to say. You said it for me. Thank you, Jose.
For the stop loss, right? How you do it on the
Ninja?
Yeah.
So let me switch over to that screen. Hold on. So all you do is come down to your ATM strategy. Click it. You can do custom. And then you put in if you want it by ticks, by the currency. So you can literally put in, if you're doing currency, $200 if you want a $200 stop loss, $100 stop loss, or you could go by ticks as well. And you could just add it up that way also. You know what I'm saying? For your profit and your stop loss.
Okay. All right. Okay.
And then if you want to get real crazy, right? If you want to get real crazy in here, you can add to this as well. So you can have multiple targets. So that way, like, your first target could be like if you're trading 2 contracts, your first target will be 1 contract. Your second target will be another contract. So that's how you could scale out of trades as well.
Okay. Good morning, guys.
Hey, Mr. Mitchell in the flesh. What is up, brother? Good morning.
Good morning, Mitch.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Is it better? So you said, Dwayne, is it better to do the perimeter type by ticks or currency? Which one?
It's honestly both gonna be the same.
Okay.
Because for people that are just trying to set this up, I always tell them to do the currency, so that way they're not thinking about having to add up how many ticks.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
All right. Now, does it make a difference, right? Because I see on the TIF it says GTC, but on mine it says day. Does that mean anything?
No, you should be fine.
Okay.
Good morning, Brett.
How's everybody been?
Bro, it's another day in paradise, fam. Another freaking day in paradise. Living the freaking dream.
Let's go.
I get to trade with you guys every single morning, and I love it.
That's a blessing.
I'm gonna have to do something in my office because since most of my lighting's coming from like the sun outside and I got blinds on, like if it gets cloudy, it gets real dark. So I'm thinking about having to black out these windows and set up a whole light rig So that way we got the crispy quality moving forward, because I hate having to play with my blind to give me more light or close. You know what I'm saying? I hate having to do that. All right, it's 9:25. I guess it's time for me to give y'all some stuff for the markets. So the VWAP, our current VWAP, is sitting down on the 2-minute chart for the Nasdaq futures, 30,188. 30,188. Actually, hold on. I stand corrected. No, 188.25. 188.25. We have a pivot point, 30,236.25. 30,236.25. Above that, we have the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart, 242. 242 there. And we keep hitting all-time highs, and I don't know how I feel about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting for that rug pull. Where was the close from yesterday? Okay, the close from yesterday, 30,044.25. 30,044.25 was the close from yesterday. Yeah, we got pivot above the high for the overnight session as well. 398.75 is that pivot up there. We got pivot back in the 29,000s as well. Honestly, for me today, I'm patiently going to be waiting. I realized yesterday on a couple trades I took, I wasn't waiting for that full follow through. And since I wasn't waiting for the full follow through, I experienced having to sit in some drawdown until it fully pushed for me. So today, I'm going to wait for the full follow through. We ain't risking for the biscuit. I need a couple $100 for another 2K payout from Tradeify. So we're just gonna slow and steady. And when I do the couple $100, I'll have to decide, do I want to take the payout or do I keep stacking that account? I kind of think I'm gonna keep stacking the account. Yeah, I'll be okay with that. You know what I'm saying? Keep stacking it. Get it to at least like 7-8 grand, take a payout and do it that way, because at that point then I could be taking out the max payouts with Tradeify on that account as well. What prop firm do you use? I use Tradeify, Lucid, TPT, and Apex. I rotate between all of them.
Well, I feel like it's a flush about to happen.
Well, anything's possible. We got that VWAP down there, 30,188.50 now. So
Feel like it's about to touch it.
And we're going to see how the market wants to react once we do touch it, because listen, we pumped 30,379 for the high. So anything is possible. I hate when we're at all-time highs, so we're going to see what we get.
Come down. It has to come down. I remember last time it did that, though. Remember? When we were at our all-time high before it, I'm like, it has to come down. It has to.
Yeah, but I don't want to have that bias either, though, right? Because I don't want to miss on any opportunities, because I'm telling myself it has to come down. We hope it comes down, because I hate when we're just hitting all-time highs each and every session, because it's like, okay, when is it going to stop? You know. I'm just ready to make a couple dollars. That's it. If I could do another like yesterday, $2,700, we'll take it and run as fast as possible away from these screens. We got market open. Get less than a minute now. Market open in less than a minute. Be prepared for anything. All I know is I am ready to weigh in on Friday. I'm not weighing myself till Friday. So if I see 299.8, boys, like these streams gonna look different. I'm gonna be walking in with a legacy robe on. What's up, Rob? Good morning. Noah, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I know, right, bro? That pump last night was pretty crazy. But We live, we learn, and we grow. So who knows what's going to happen today? I'm not biased on up or down. I just want to wait for my flags in that momentum, and we're going to execute.
Yo, Duane.
Yes, sir.
I just sent you a message, text. When you get a chance, you want to review that. Personally, just keeping you informed on some things, but
Okay. Not a crown, BP. The crown's kind of crazy.
Ooh, we broke the VMA too.
Woo.
VWAP.
Listen, we got that close from yesterday all the way down there. So 44.25. Are we going to fill that gap? Good morning, Travis. Like, listen, this is so hard for, I'm like, I don't just want to go short because I see the market going down. I'm not even clear to trade yet. So I'm waiting until 9:45, sadly. But we're going to see what we get. I feel like that 44 may try getting filled if we can completely lose this VWAP here.
Already 2 bear flags. I'm having 2 already. I'm having 1 to 5 minutes. I ain't formed yet, but
This is so hard for me not to want to just click.
I want to too, Duane. Trust me.
But I'm waiting until 9:45. There's a reason why we consistent in the market. We follow our rules. We have some discipline sometimes. Keyword sometimes. So we're going to wait. We do have news today at 10. News at 10 o'clock today. We got the Fed comp, manufacturing, and services index at 10. 10:30, we got the Dallas Fed and Texas service sector. And then 11:30 as well. So, yeah, we're going to be in and out today. We're going to print our monies before 10 o'clock here. So, after 10, I'm just chilling with y'all, just vibing. That's my goal for today. Are we getting ready to build us a little bear flag here? Because the flags, man, they love to repeat themselves. Let me bring that line down there. There we go. Good morning, Mooser.
What we got going on over here? Yeah. Where's Steve?
Steve isn't in here this morning. Not yet, at least. That jive turkey.
Oh, he's right there.
Hey, he is here. He snuck on in here.
I'm Steve O.
What's up?
What's going on? How are you, sir?
Oh, another day in paradise, man. Let's make some money, baby.
Steve talking dirty this morning. Steve talking another day in paradise. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I've heard that before.
You just got,
Yo,
chill.
I'm so excited for
You just
my
can't
Europe
hide it.
trip.
You're about to lose control. You think you like it? He's so excited.
Oh, I am excited. I am excited. Because you guys don't understand. Like, I know a lot of you weren't around last year when I was in Europe for 3 weeks,
Listen,
but
you
some of
darn
you were.
turkey. Okay, good save.
Some you didn't let me finish, Steve. This is my freaking stream. Let me talk.
Islands
Jesus.
in the stream.
But so last year in July, I started the Legacy Wealth Society, and I wasn't streaming on YouTube or anything like that yet at that time. So some of my market makers, they've been with me since last year, and I appreciate all you guys that have been with me, grown with me, everything like that. But last year when I was in Europe, trading with them on the Zoom call, everything like that, my living conditions in Europe were nice, but not how I wanted. You know what I'm saying? We were staying with a family friend, and I don't like staying with people. And they have a dog, and I'm allergic to dog. It was a whole thing, right? It was a whole thing. We're sorry. All right, we're still falling down here. But we slept on a bed. It was like a full-size bed. Me, my girl, and my son, my youngest. I couldn't roll on my back until the morning when they woke up. That's how tight the bed was. It may have been a freaking twin, it felt like.
You're the size of the bed.
I know. I was on my side the whole time, but this time
The sardine tin.
but this time we rented a nice little Airbnb through her sister's friend out there. So I got the sauna, I got the hot tub, and I got my own space because we'd be walking into her sister-in-law's house like mad late, like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. Dogs barking at us, trying to attack. It was wildness. So this time we're going to have some fun when we're out there because we're going to be able to move how we want, do what we want when we want. And I get to stream with you guys whenever I feel like it. We will be trading for the morning sessions with you guys, and we will have the traders hang out as well. Nothing's changing with that.
Don't be extra, though. I don't want to hear you being extra going into a damn sauna. Now, you live in Florida, for fuck's sake. Just go outside, turkey.
Get it, freedom 100%, bro. So this time we're really going to enjoy the trip, and this thing's still falling down, and this is wildness. BP, I'm allergic to certain dogs. It's weird. I'm not allergic to all dogs, just certain dogs. So if you have a hyperallergenic dog, I'm allergic to it. Make it make sense. Makes zero freaking sense. I would love to get a dog for the family, but I'm not willing to risk my life or have to pop pills just to have a freaking dog. BP, I will be doing the IRL streams out there as well.
What time is it gonna be out there again? Refresh us.
When I for the morning session with you guys, it'll be 2:30 my time out there. So that's gonna be nothing for me because last time I was streaming sometimes from like the beach where her sister's surf camp is at, and we filled this complete gap, and I'm so annoyed. I'm not annoyed. I called it, but it is what it is. So 2:30 p.m. for me will be 9:30 for you guys here in these states, Eastern time for all my family on the Eastern Seaboard here. And then the traders hang out. That one I may move forward just like an hour early.
It's like 3 in the morning and shit.
And that's what it would be. It would literally be 2:30 in the morning for that hangout. So I'm thinking about just pushing it forward 1 hour. So the hangouts may start at 8:30 instead of 9:30. Because I'm fine staying up from 1:30 to 2:30 chilling. You know what I'm saying? Things I do for y'all. The things I do for y'all. Yeah, I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for 9:45 here. Niner, great job, bro. Niner's freaking printing. I love it. The growth I see from some of you guys in the chat gets me excited. You guys travel too much for that, bro?
Speaking of dogs, y'all want to see some big dogs?
Yeah, we remember you sent us one picture, so let's see more.
All right, well, I'm outside back in Minnesota.
Hey.
What up? Let me flip this thing around.
Oh,
there they are.
Is that a wolf?
Oh. So this is Stella. She's a Saint Bernard Great Pyrenees mix that I told you guys about. She's a
Yep.
baby, 3 years old. And this is Samson, who I don't know what they do here, but there used to be plants here. Obviously not anymore because it's nice and cool for them.
That's a
But
dog.
he's an Anatolian Shepherd mixed with the Great Pyrenees, and he's 5 years old.
He's laying eggs.
Right?
He's laying eggs.
Yeah, don't eat them.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
look at those
nice.
eyes, man.
Oh yeah.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
No, they. I remember when you showed me those pictures like months ago. So, how's the weather out there, dude?
Oh, looking like this. It's I think it's supposed to be in the 80s all week, to be honest with you. So today's gonna be pretty warm.
Nice.
So let's see what the thing here says. Yeah, right now it's 70. I have 85. Not bad.
What time is it over there right now?
It is 8:40 here, so an hour
Okay.
behind.
Yeah, now we're
For, yeah.
nice.
I'm waiting
Yeah.
to see what happens when we fill this gap.
It's really cold, huh?
Yeah, it gets cold out here, that's for sure. They love it, obviously, because they're born
Yeah.
for the winter months, but that's what they do all day in the shade is they avoid any sunny spots. They like to sit over there in the dirt spot, as you can see, and then they'll move around and avoid anywhere where the sun is. So, yeah, but mind you,
Whew.
I
Yeah,
think
this-
we're coming down to
giant dog.
Nine.
What's up,
19.
Snoop?
What's up, Snoop?
Morning.
Sorry about
Niner,
that.
you're not hiding from the kids, bro. That's why. Man, I don't listen. I felt like we were possibly going to fill that gap, and we did. So now I just gotta wait because I'm not even clear to trade yet. And at this point, for me, I'm not just going to jump in.
Oh, come on, that's not the Dwayne we love.
Well, hey, your boy's working on some more payouts, so it is what it is. Just took out the overnight low there as well. Alrighty.
Order?
Are we going to stair step down here? Because the way we just came down, I told you a rug pull was going to happen. We're going to see. We got news at 10 o'clock today as well.
Is it just 10 o'clock? I saw there was something at 8:55, but it didn't move the needle.
So we had news at 8:55. We got news at 10, 10:30, and 11:30. So I'll be here for the 10 and 10:30. Just wanting to see another bear flag here. If we're going to continue down. Because I'm not trying to short the bottom. Or buy at the top. Just saying.
So we Dwayne. So my son came over. I repped him out. So I let's drop the weight and then let's get into it. So after he got out to the 60th rep and 3 sets, he was like,
That sounds like my trainer. He's like, yeah. So I joke with my trainer since we've known each other for a long time. I'm like, bro, you can stop lying to me finally, okay? Because he'll be like, all right, so we only have 15 reps here. I'm like, okay, cool. What else after? It's not just 15 reps right here. I know you. like, tell me the truth.
I'll do 3 or 4 rounds of it.
oh yeah, no, but I got to.
Wow. What a rug pull. It
Dwayne,
happened before 9:45. This is crazy.
Dwayne, does he have you do supersets?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love supersets, but they can be tough sometimes.
Well, I'm getting into better shape, believe it or not. So now he has to
Well
have me
worth it.
do cardio before we start lifting so I can get my heart rate up.
Yep, that's what my trainer had me do as well. We do running or stair steppers or some kind of HIIT workouts to get the heart rate up into a certain zone based off the Apple Watch thingies or whatever.
Yeah. He wants my heart rate ready to explode type deal sometimes, but it is what it is. I'd be messing with him. Are you trying to kill me, bro? What is this?
You can hear your heart beating.
Wow, this is crazy. This is freaking crazy right now. Oh, come on, 9:45. Hurry up, man. I am not trying to short the bottom. I gotta see some clean moves because the move already happened. That if you would have taken that, you would have printed some monies this morning. Why do I have a rule that I had to wait till 9:45 to trade? I don't. Stupid rule.
Can you change the rule?
Huh? I could, but my track record shows I trade better after 9:45.
Okay.
And even when you do make the money, you make more money overall because you're like aggressive with it.
Yeah.
Hey, we're getting a possible flag action, Uncle Duane.
Yeah, this flag's gonna have to be a perfect flag for me. Because I'm not trying to just take anything here. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we get actual flag. What's the superset? You do a lot of reps on a couple different things all at once without breaking.
It's just another tool in the toolbox, like the superset, the pyramid. It's like intervals. It's great.
Yeah, you go
It's
from
one of the
there.
best things when I have my, and then tomorrow, I should have both of my sons because the second one's out of school, so it's gonna be really good because they like to go against each other, so it's
Okay.
like bring the workout up. You know what I mean? The competition, if you will.
Niner, I
450 on
know.
that trade, fellas.
Awesome.
Please give me a bear flag. Go through my yellow line with momentum. I'm clear to trade. And this time I'm actually waiting. I'm not doing what I did yesterday and jumping like a half candle early.
I thought you like to do that because it added drama to the screen.
No. I don't like heart palpitations. Get ready to break the line, but it's right on that pivot point. So
Ooh. Is it gonna drop? Come on.
quick 200 right there on the first trade. I'm not liking the dance right here at this pivot. Not liking the dance on the pivot.
It's kind of like that bed you slept in. It's too small. You gotta.
Let's go. 345 on that trade.
Man, everybody's winning more than me, but hey, as long as y'all are winning, I'm winning, and we'll take it.
G-Money in the house.
And that's why I did. See, that's why I wasn't trying to do it right there.
Yep.
It felt I didn't like the price action on the Rincos.
We'll let it build another flag and then get
Jump
rid of
back
that
in.
pivot.
Well, I'm just gonna rotate.
Hey, Duane, you said something always repeats itself, and sometimes you say that's me, and then sometimes you say it's the flag.
Nice, Niner. Good job, bro. I love the legacy fan. I love seeing y'all print every single morning. So we did break out of that 15-minute range as well. The low of the 15-minute range, the low, 965. In the high of this range, big old range today, 192. So if we're going to start trending up, let's see if we build a little bull flag, but we retested the low of this 15-minute range. We could keep on coming down. You never know.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna dip out. I got to take care of some things, but good talking
nice
with y'all.
Yeah, nice hearing your voice, man. It's been a
Pleasure, brother. Enjoy your day.
I'll be back eventually in a couple of weeks or sooner. Just gotta take
Okay.
care of some things first, but just hanging out with y'all. But keep up the good work and stay safe in the markets, and we'll see you guys soon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, see you guys.
Bye.
Later.
Are we getting ready to start to pump? I want to see some type of a flag right now.
Duane wants an A+ flag.
What?
I do want an A+ flag.
Oh, what was that?
That was Steve. He has his robot talking today.
Oh.
He's like Moose with Alexa.
Alexa, make coffee.
What we about to do
One
here?
time I was doing my Alexa voice and it turned on a light in his closet.
That shows how crazy that stuff is.
And you can have that. Maybe I'm too old school. You know, I mean, they say that my generation was the last one that remembers no internet. So, like, I'm good not having, like, things listening in on me. You know what I mean? Any more than there's enough stuff anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice trade, Duane. Hell yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Hell yeah.
Close that. We touched that close from yesterday. Should have, would have, could have. We'll rotate to the next one and keep it moving.
Keep it moving.
Keep it moving. That's it. We got the middle of that 15-minute range coming up. 78.75 is the middle of the 15-minute range. Good morning, is.
I want to make like $200. 200 more, and I should be done for the day. Look like it wants to go up, man.
Yeah, it's crazy, BP.
This might be the retracement 15.
Another 280 on that account. Just base hitting.
Nice. Congrats.
Thank you, I guess.
Hey, 280 is better than no 280, right?
Some selling pressure stepping in. We're right here at that close from yesterday, 44.25. 44.25. And we got the middle of that 15-minute range right there as well. So I'm probably going to hold and wait. We got 6 minutes for the news at 10. 6 minutes now. If we get through that 44, there we go. I did not get filled. That's trash. Let me close that. Because this may, if the sellers step in here, I want to see them aggressively step in. This would be a potential bear flag. but I want to see some momentum with follow through. Not liking the dance again on these Renkos.
Oh, whole number. Boom.
I'll take that 1260 right there.
Oh my gosh.
Again?
Huh?
So you made some money again?
We're just rotating, boys. That's all we're doing.
1260?
1260, yeah.
Nice.
So it's about 3.5 minutes till the news.
Yep, and hey, I did what I want to do. I said I want to make my money before 10 so I can just chill with y'all for the rest of the stream. Mike's not working. You guys can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mike's working. Is log out, come back, refresh. What a time to be alive. I should make this smaller so I can see more. I'll be waiting until after 10 at this point, just so you guys know. No reason to risk it. We got news coming out at 10. What account was that one? 52. Your mic is in and out. Okay.
Well, here it sounds perfect. So
okay.
I haven't heard one cut out.
Are we going to get the full bear flag? But it's right here at 9:58. Like, too close for comfort for me.
Minute 24 seconds, let it close. And then, you know, there's a room.
If you're up on eval 6 and lose it.
You got the top wick, previous 4-hour chart sitting at 30,379.
Technically, no.
Here we got 1 minute till news, Uncle D.
Thank you, Steve. We got 1 more minute for news. 1 more minute for news. Hold on to your desks, your computers, and your phones. It's going to be a ride. I never recommend trading news.
Wait, you traded news over over 30K yesterday. It was just like,
that was by accident. I was trying to be out by the news. I was not able to get out before the news.
And then through the big whole number, it was like awesome. It was like
it was like the Wild Wild West.
Hey, watch this.
I learned it after blowing up the account. You see how we get right now with that?
Are we going to pump? We got the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart for the Nasdaq future sitting there at 85.25. 85.25. That's above the middle of the 15-minute range here. News would just came out. Test. Okay, we got another person saying they can't hear me.
Zoom is fine. Zoom is fine, man.
BP, you can hear me, bro? This is weird. I've been talking to y'all this whole stream, so.
Yeah, it must be something on that side.
Yeah, your mic's working for. Yeah, so. Refresh your stream. Like, go out and come back. Clear as can be. Loud and clear. Now you probably refresh your stuff.
Respect yourself.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I may not even take another trade for the session. We did what we had to do today.
Oh, you see some moves, you're gonna jump in. You're so full of it.
Cool. Everyone's saying I'm fine, so we should be good. We should be good. Good morning, Junie. Turn up the volume or unmute it. All right, so I know it's not me. You know what I'm saying? I know it's not me. We'll take that. Right now, we're just like slightly consolidating here on the Rincos. It's trying to figure out what it wants to do. I feel like after that big drop, I feel like the market's gonna want to pump back up. But I want to see that clean, clear momentum with the flaggy flag. Getting ready to tap the middle of that 15-minute range right there. Just holding and waiting, holding and waiting. If I could take another trade, will I possibly? Only if it's a super clean flag where it's like screaming at me, not like I have to take it. But unless I see that, I'll be done for the day for executing trades. So I'll literally get a chill for a whole hour with y'all. Base hitting. And we did that within 15 minutes. So from 9:45 till 10, we already made our money for the day. Catch me outside, you know what I'm saying? All right, tapping that 21 EMA right there once again. Let's see if we can get above it and build a bull flag. Because we got the VWAP sitting 131.75, 131.75.
There's 30,088. I think 118 is in play. There's not 8. There's 98.
I would love to see a bull flag form, take us higher. Gus, a micro and mini are two different contract sizes. So mini, if you're trading minis, I trade minis, and they're $5 per tick for each contract. So I trade 2 contracts, so that's $10 every tick. Minis, what is it? I forget the size. What are my market makers? Can one of y'all help? What's the size for the micros?
The micros is like 1/10 of the mini. So if you are making one tick is $5 on micro is 50 cents.
Okay, that's what I thought, but I didn't want to be wrong, so we pass it to the market makers there. So 50 cents per tick on micros instead of $5 per tick. Is this going to be one big bear flag, or what are we trying to do here? This market better figure it out.
I can't believe it.
What happened?
I went to make 250. I made $26.
Green's green, brother. Green is green. Remember, you guys always remind me, Duane, green's green. Yeah, green's green.
What?
Go buy a Chipotle bowl.
Right? I have to share with my son because we don't have enough for 2. Oh man. It's okay. I'm $26 richer.
Can't hear audio. What is going on today? People are saying can't hear audio.
It's nice and clear here.
Yeah, it has to be on YouTube's end. Messing up. Like I'm like, we're in a weird predicament right here because I'm like, okay, are we going to print bull flags and take us up, or is this going to be the rollover for a massive bear flag on the 2-minute? Because if we break below that 44.25, oh, this thing's going to come down like a rock. Look at these wicks on these candles right now on the 2-minute. Yeah, I'll be just waiting, folks. I'll be waiting and anticipating. After this, do I download the platform in NinjaTrader? Gus, if you want to trade on Ninja, yeah, it's free to download it. And it's free to open up your account with them. Okay, Naren, thank you, bro. Gus, were you going to be trading personal funds or prop firms? If you haven't already on the YouTube streams, make sure you're hitting that like button. It lets YouTube know that you guys get value from these streams, and they push it out to traders just like yourself. Traders that want to win in the markets each and every day to secure their financial freedom. So if that's you, make sure you hit that like button if you're trying to secure your freedom. Because I know I am. That's why I show up each and every day ready to trade these markets. Best way to print money. That's all I'm saying. Is it going to give me the move I'm looking for? I probably want to clear out 34. We clear out that 34 level. I may want to take a short. All right, we just cleared that out. Dang.
Ask and you shall receive.
Yeah, I'm not liking the dance though on the Rincos right now. Because we cleared out that 34, which I called out. Popped it right back up there. We got to lose this 34 area.
$438. And it should have kept going.
How I just only add $90? That's trash.
Hey, green is green, baby.
Hey, get
Verde. Enrique. Verde is verde.
Let me not pre-run anything. After this, do I connect Tradeify with NinjaTrader? Somehow it's kind of confused. I have to put... No, you do not need to put money in NinjaTrader. You can buy an account with Tradeify. Then step 2, after buying your account with Tradeify, log into your dashboard. Go to Tradeivate. You have to sign documents on Tradeivate. Once you sign those documents, you can use your same login credentials that Tradeify will give you for Tradeivate on your Ninja Trader. And that's how you'll be able to trade on Ninja Trader. Coming down to my yellow line on the 5-minute. Let's see how we act when we tap that yellow line on the 5. There's the tap. Popping back up above my yellow line on the 5-minute. Glad I closed that when I did. If you're looking at that 5-minute, what does that look like right there? That's looking like a beautiful little bear flag. But we need that follow through. We need follow through to really make it perfect.
It's under the influence of that whole number.
Well, that's doing that. Let me check something real quick. This is just not yet. This is just too fun. Huh? Cha-ching. Let's go, Noble. What's up, bro? Good morning. Yeah, I'm waiting. If it does want to break, I'll be there for you. If not, I'm good. You know, of course, the market wants to start moving a little bit slower and methodical. Yeah, Bulls trying to step in and push it up just slightly here. Just patience. This is a waiting game. It's a waiting game. We got news at 10:30. News at 10:30 as well. Another solid day in the markets this week so far, so happy about that. I moved my yellow line down on the 5-minute chart there. So now I'll be waiting until we get down to that yellow line. Nothing before. Because getting below that yellow line will clear out all this buying pressure. So that way it could really waterfall if it wants to. We are due for a big crash soon on the... Listen, what goes up must come down. Duane's in sniper mode. Bro, we're trained assassins in the markets. That's all we do. Looking like it's trying on the 2 minutes, trying to do a little bear flag, but I'm watching that 5-minute. That's what I'm looking for mainly right now. I want that 5-minute flag break just to keep me out of some of the noise on the 2-minute right now. We're coming down to that 30,000 once again. We got to get through that big number, that big whole number right there. So, yes, it's Ninja Trader Gus. We tapped that 30,000. Bulls don't want to give up the 30,000. Yeah, it's like gravity. You know what I'm saying? Oh, our music just ended. I think it's time to rotate to one of our hangout playlists. Change the vibe a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let's see here. All right, we're back at that 344 level. That was the close from yesterday. 21 EMA sitting there at 54.75. Patiently waiting. All right, tapping that 21 EMA. Let's see if we reject here. Don't overtrade, Gus. Follow your rules and you'll win. What are we gonna get here? I'm still waiting if this flag is going to pay or not. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, Gus. You're going to win, bro. You're going to win.
There's that resistance at the whole number, man.
Yeah, that 30,000. Tons of extraness there.
And you said there was 10:30 is news, so we got to start thinking of that in a couple of minutes.
Yep. I should probably cut myself off, turn my mouse off at this point because we did well today. Don't want to give profits back. But I see this beautiful bear flag that's been forming since like before 10 o'clock today. So I'm like, is it going to pay us? Is it not going to pay us? We got to see that momentum. Oh man, I have upper body today in the gym. I'm excited, but I'm also not because we're just getting back into training upper body since I injured my arm and chest. So things that were light for me before are heavy now. So Never fun.
Yeah, but it's, you know, I mean, people want to be like, you know, always hitting like PRs. But the thing is like, you know, you're building through again. You're gonna work on form. You're gonna get it.
Ooh.
Get it good.
Uh-oh. What was that? I know we're building form and we're going to get through it. See, the market just on the wrinkles just did something there.
It did.
It just squeezed some of those bulls. Is this going to be our fall?
How far would you want it to go below the 30s before you get a feel that it's not stuck in that orbit?
I would probably be saying 89 or lower.
Like testing you. It's like, how about this? How about this?
But I want to get through my yellow line on the 5-minute with follow through. No follow through, no trade.
I did like the 188. Like, hey.
It's playing right now. It's playing. Let's see if we get it. Too buoyant right here right now.
Yeah, I see that.
We got buying pressure all in the same area. We got to clear out all this buying pressure for me to be like excited for the short. Ciao. Close that. Bang. I could have held a little bit longer, but you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. You know what I'm saying? I'll just take my victory. You know what I'm saying? I'll just take my freaking victory. Another 2K payout secured from Tradeify right there as well. Over a 2K. But we broke below the yellow line. Bulls are trying to step in again. So now I have to decide, right? Because I was thinking about adding more to this Tradeify account. Not today. I'm done trading on this today because I only needed like $600 for 2K payout. We put $900 in it, so we're done. We're done on this one. But it's one of those things where for me, do I keep building the account up so I know I have over $4,000 of buffer currently in it? Do I trade a little bit more on it, get to like 6, 7, 8 grand, and then take a payout? That's what I'm honestly thinking about doing. Let me get this pulled up so I can show y'all what we did today in the markets. So that's on the horizontal. I'm going to put it on the vertical as well. Give me 1 second here. So that's what we did today in the markets. Solid day right there. Just doing what we do best. Base freaking hitting. Not pushing, no pressure. Did he rotate or are your hands off? We're coming up to news at 10:30 here. And man, if I would have stayed a little bit longer on that flag, no, I ain't gonna be mad. I'm not even mad about it. I may be hands off. I'll rotate. Let's rotate to one of the accounts I traded. Just in case. I got our first target down there at 851.75. 851.75. That's my first target from the 15-minute range here to the downside. Let the Ringos take control. I would like to see another flag get ready to form to give us that extra confirmation that we are going to continue down here. Hey, let's go, Niner. Good job, bro. Just add a little bit more of this one. Let's go to another one.
2-minute warning on that news.
Thank you, Steve. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, folks, for the news at 10:30 today. Oh, no, come down. Come down, market. Don't listen to the song. Come on down. Hey, good job, Niner. Enjoy your gym. Your workout's going to be amazing because when you make 1240, clicking freaking buttons, you enjoy working out sometimes, believe it or not. Enjoy your workout session, bro. See you tonight. Let's see, are we going to get another little bear flag right here? Give us that confirmation. We're going to continue down. We got a minute left on the 5-minute. To the new candle prints. Solid day. Is this going to be a baby bear flag right here? Ten seconds left. Well, both candles are getting ready to print a new one.
News time, baby.
Yep, there's the news. Probably go to that pivot point. Yeah, almost too. It's like right there.
Dwayne's line is forming a resistance. Right? So that's
Duane, you ready to clip? Oh, I thought you was ready to clip.
I was
that.
getting ready to, but I wasn't fast enough on the trigger. I wasn't fast enough.
Well, I said, ooh. I was on mute though, but I was saying, ooh, I know Duane waiting for. Oh, look at the drop. Look at the drop. That's crazy, bro.
Let's see if I'm fast enough this time if we pop back up. If not, I'll protect capital here.
Oh. See, these the moves that be getting me. Always. Oh my gosh.
going through that night. The whole number coming.
Okay, come back up. Come back
Whoa.
up. What in the world?
Well, just blew that eval. You saw that drop. We broke below that yellow line. Aggie. Oh, well. And watch it pop now. So dirty. Which account was this one?
Nah, look what it's doing now.
I know.
Look what it's doing now.
I know. You don't gotta tell me.
Damn. If Nasdaq was a person, I'll beat his ass.
Oh my goodness. The violence in here is scary.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
We're here.
I got to keep my.
Travis, I know, bro. But I'm not mad about it. It is what it is, brother. Can't win them all.
I don't know about that. Okay. All right, I got you. Yeah.
And now it's going to do the pop that was, bro.
Is it? Is it?
Well, I would have already been in the green, but. Let me actually, I haven't rotated over to Lucid today. Let me connect Lucid real quick.
Cheers. He flexes his tricep.
Yeah, like now I'm debating, do I jump in on this move? Let's see how we act around this pivot first. We're back in the low of the 15-minute range as well. We got the 21 EMA sitting at 98725, 98725. Psych check, how you feeling, brother? Still? Oh, I'm in a great mood. I secured a 2K payout today if I want to take a payout. But I got to decide, do I do the payout or do I just keep stacking on that account? Because if I add another, I need to put in another less than $2,000 for a 3K payout on that account. But if I do that, then that pays for my airfare to Portugal. So we'll see. I hate how my pivots have not been lining up with Ninja Trader lately. Take the money and run. Ah! I feel you. I do feel you. But I like the thought process of building the account a little bit more. So that way when I do take the payouts, I still have at least like a $4,000, $3 or $4,000 buffer. Okay, I did not get filled there, which is Aggie. I saw that little pump happen. We're above the 21 EMA as well. Are we going to come down and test it before continuing? If I'm trying to take it long, I want to stay above the 21 EMA.
Seconds on the 2-minute and the 5-minute.
Consolidating right now.
Right at that whole number, the 30K.
Yeah, I've been real bad with that today.
Oh, today my ass. And there's also an 80 EMA on the 5-minute that's like right there.
That's not good. I'm gonna get ready to kill this then. I did kill it. 270 in the green on that Lucid account. That 30,044 would be something I'll be looking at trying to get back to. But let's see if we can get us a flag. I would really love to see a flag right now for the next trade here. Yeah, I need to stop trading. We're getting ready to possibly build a bull flag here. Let's see if we get it. 80 bucks on that quick little snipe there on this other Lucid account. Hey, baby.
Ooh, buyers. Does that mean the sellers are back? What are we going to get here? What are we going to get here? I think I'm officially done trading for today. Yeah, I'll debate. I'll probably wait till tomorrow to decide if I want to take that 2K payout or not. I kind of want to build the account up more. So I'm just not sure. Not sure. Let's see what that account's actually on. So I can see like how much I need. So we're at that account sitting at 4,232. Not crazy. Not bad. We'll see. We'll see. Market makers, how we feeling? How we doing?
I'm just waiting for this next move because it seems I'm interested to see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I feel that. It's either the Bears have to step in real aggressive. I mean, really aggressive, or the Bulls are about to pump this thing.
Exactly. That's what I'm watching. I just, basically, I want to see get away from that whole number.
Yeah.
That ADMA.
Yeah, definitely want to get away from that 30,000 in either direction at this point.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to be choosy. We just need to get away from 30,000 so we can know what this market truly wants to do somewhat. So we printed a bull flag on the 5 minute there. A small bull flag on the 5. But
it needs to break out of that tractor beam.
Yeah, I want to wait for us to clear out. I'd probably say the 24 level. We get above the 24 level, we should have a little bit cleaner sailings. You have that 24 level right now. That's the level we got to get through. For everybody on the YouTube streams, make sure you're hitting that like button so YouTube will keep pushing these streams of people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win in the markets. What's up, Don? How you doing this morning, bro? So sellers stepping in the same area. Best day of your life. Well, congratulations on having the best day of your life, bro. Why is today the best day of your life? I'm sure the chat's wondering. Coming right back down to that 21 EMA, right at that whole number as well. Don't trade the chop, I'll tell you that. Every day, hey, we'll take that, bro. Every day is the best day. I love that. Just keeps getting better. That's why I love it here, bro. We're breaking below the 21 EMA. Oh, Nellies. Looking like a bull flag on that 5 minute right there. I don't like those previous candle wicks. I did take two quick little trades. Took this account from $80 to $350. $350. Yeah, I think on that $350, I may be done for the day. I know I've been saying that since 10 o'clock. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging you, but I'll tell you this, man. If it moves, you're going to be on it. I know you.
Well, it got nine more minutes to move because I'm jumping off at 9. So I know since, not 9, 11. See, my time is all jacked up today, clearly. I'm talking about 9 o'clock and it's coming up on 11.
You're a mess.
I know. You've been saying that since 9:40. Listen, Rob, it's not my fault. I printed too much money too quickly today. So I had to sit around with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least I don't make the money I dip off the stream. I at least sit with y'all. We talk. We still trade. Everything like that. Things I do for y'all. I know this is no judgment zone. And I appreciate that. Thank you. I am working on getting that video out to you guys today. I was running around yesterday, so I am working on that video after the stream today, actually, to get pushed out to y'all. Hey, Rob, smart man, bro. Make your money and chill. That's it. Enjoy your workout, brother. Yeah, I'm ready to work out too. Waiting. I'm gonna go drink my protein shake, my banana, and mentally prepare. And while I'm preparing, I'm gonna be working on the video, editing.
After the 80th rep of the bench press, you start to feel it in your soul.
We don't bench press anymore after what happened currently. So still trying to let all that heal.
When Duane bench presses, it means he's sitting on the bench. It's different than actually lifting the weight.
We're sitting right here on top of this 21 EMA. I'm just going to close my eyes from now on because this is where it gets dangerous. Sitting right here at this 30,000 as well. Like,
I wish we could do something. Anything.
I'm a kettlebeller. Okay. Let's load this, see what we did. Too shabby? Not too shabby. We'll take that. Be careful in the markets. Be careful in these markets. No reason to risk it for the biscuit. All right, I got 6 more minutes. I'm counting down the time right now, gentlemen and ladies. I'm counting down the time because I should have been done trading at 10. You know. Rest in peace to one eval today. I took a trade. I thought it did play out how I thought it would after it stopped me out. You gotta love how that worked. Rest in peace to that eval. Is this going to be a roll here? This may roll. Just looking at that 5 minute. It may try rolling right here. There's the starting of the roll. Down to that pivot. Through the pivot. Didn't get filled. I took another stab. I didn't get filled. I'm done. I didn't get filled, so... This is looking like another bear flag there on the 5. That'd been nice. If I would have taken that roll right there, boy. Mama, there goes that man. That's all I'm saying. Oh, this thing's rolling hard too right now.
You see me rolling.
If we do pop back up, I want to see that 969 hold us to keep us going lower here. I want to see us reject off that 969 if I was looking for another entry for a short, but this is looking like a bear flag. We got to get through that yellow line with that follow through. But I saw the rolls starting to happen. Shoulda, would, could have taken it, but I didn't. I told myself I'm done trading. I tried jumping in on it. I didn't get filled. So that's the sign from above. It's time to stop. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between fireside. So come bring your questions to get real answers that will give you real results in the markets. I'm excited to see all you guys win at trading because this is the best thing any one of us could ever do for ourselves, because you don't need a boss. You don't need an employee. You don't need a customer. You just need yourself to truly secure your freedom from clicking a freaking button. The buyer's trying to step in, but if we get stuck at that 969 level, that'd be a good sign. That'd be a good sign for us that this thing may keep trying to go down here. We got one more minute. Well, less than a minute. I'm jumping off here.
Well, you better stick around for a couple minutes for your loyal fans.
Nope. I stuck around a whole extra hour for my loyal fans.
Listen, you are so full of it. Have a good one, BP. See you tonight, bro. Uncle BP.
Well, family and friends, all my legacy fam, my market makers, and YouTube, I'm officially jumping off here. We're pushing through my yellow line on the 5 minutes, so I gotta go because if I stick around.
Stick around for the move, you jive turkey.
No, I'm done. I made enough money. I'm not giving nothing back. So I will catch y'all tonight, 9:30 p.m. for the hangout. Family, be blessed. Stay safe. And I'll catch y'all. What happened, Jose?
Just take it easy.
Oh, take it. All right, brother.
Take it easy, y'all.
Hey, what happened, Carmona? Oh, Jesus said.
All right, boys. Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, everybody.